All right, guys, if you can't tell by this flyover right now, I am in Hawaii. Not really, but on Orion Live. I wish I was in Hawaii. It's cold and snowy here in Michigan, but the next closest thing we can get to being there is playing on Orion Live. Super pumped for this. I actually haven't played this course yet, and I've played probably every course on Orion Live, so this is gonna be super fun. You're gonna be able to experience it with me. I'm recording all this. Let's jump into it. If you stick around for the whole video, really appreciate the support. Go check out the Orion Live software and everything. We're running a bunch of tournaments weekly. It's really fun stuff. So let's see what we can do here. Starting off, hole number 1, 459 yard par 4, downhill quite a bit. These guys have been lighting this course up today. So Morikawa and Masuyama are going to be battling it out. See how we can do. So pretty straightaway shot. This is going to be fun. I'm super pumped for this. There's going to be a lot of elevation. Let's see what we can put together here. Smoked. Absolutely smoked. That's just gonna roll forever too. I love it. All right, wow, what a start. I mean, granted, we're looking at that total distance. It's downhill a lot, so I don't want to hear in the comments like 380, you never hit 380. It's like, no, you're right. All right, let's get off to a good start here. What do we say? Uphill, 91 yards. I'm just gonna take a little 60 degree, throw it up there. Should be pretty green light special here. Go, go! Oh, just below the flag. Hit that good too. It's all good. Can't have a tap-in birdie right off the bat. Come on, guys. All right, 13 feet. Let's get off to a good start here and drain this putt. What do we say? Uphill. I don't know. It looks pretty straight. I'm just gonna maybe play it like inside left edge, but it's gonna be a little slow, it looks like. Let's get off to a good start here. No, it was just dead straight. I don't know why I thought left edge, but all good. Man, got to take advantage of those. I just love the flybys though. Like the flyovers, oh man, they're so nice. All right, good start. Whew, okay. 196 yards, a little bit downhill. I'm just gonna take a little 6-iron here. All right, I just shot a YouTube video on how to get more speed and control. So let's see if I can practice what I preach here. 196, a little bit downhill. Should be just a nice, easy 6-iron. Nothing crazy. Go, go! Oh, what a bounce. What an absolute bounce. I hit that just slightly heavy. Oh man, wow. What a bounce. If that would have went in, I would have been like embarrassed almost. Because it was just slightly heavy. But a good swing. Woo! All right, here we go. Let's roll. I'm pumped. This is fun so far. It looks really good. I'm thinking I'm just gonna be able to bomb driver all over the place here. Doesn't look like there's a lot of penalty area. pin is in the front left. I'm just gonna move myself a little bit more to the right. Looks like that is the better spot to miss. Okay. 1 under after 2. Little bit of a knuckleball. I kind of towed it a little, but we'll get away with it. Yeah, a little towy. Kind of came out a little knuckly, but not gonna be upset with that at all. I just lost my spine angle a little bit there. All right, 60 yards. A little bit uphill. All right, let's see if we can throw a dot up there. Spin. Little bit too much juice there. Shoot, not my best. Not my best at all. 36 feet, whew, not good. All good though. It's almost like I thought about when I hit my tee shot there, and this is where kind of a little course management comes in. I thought about maybe taking like a hybrid or something just to leave myself more of a fuller shot. Those little in-betweeners, they're just tough, whether you're playing real golf or simulator golf. All right, let's get it cozied up there. Sit. Oh no, sit. Oh shoot. Wow, that was way, way more downhill than I thought. All right, focus in here. Make this putt. Boom, boom. Looks solid, feels good. All right, let's straighten this. Oh, way. All right, well, I guess I got lucky on the previous one with that bounce. So water finds its level. All good though. We're even par after 3. We are just fine. Man, I wish I was in Maui. Man, oh man, this is pretty. Okay, this is uphill a lot. Holy cow. 88 feet uphill. This is gonna be tough. I pulled it a little. Sit, sit, sit. Please get lucky. Oh no. Wow. I know it doesn't look like 233, but that is uphill a lot. Okay. Wow. Not sure how this ball is staying up, but we will gladly take it. I'm just getting a little quick on that transition. I got to slow that down and just kind of keep those grooves to the sky a little bit more. But we're in play here. I don't know what's going to happen off this lie, so we're just going to play it pretty normal. Let's see if that's the right decision or not. Little thin. Yeah, wow, that's uphill. Holy cow. But again, a little thin. All good though. We can get this up and down. These are the tricky ones. Okay. Sit. I just gassed it a little. All right. But that was accurate. I mean, that's what I did. I just felt like I didn't have a lot of green to work with there. Probably should have bounced it into the slope a little. All good. Doesn't look like much break, right? Yeah, just downhill at the hole. There's pretty straight. No, that's it. Woo, man. Okay, these greens are quick. We're just gonna pick up right where we left off here. 523 yard, par 5. Quite a bit uphill though. Let's just keep it in play. I really got ahead of that one. Go, please go. All right, that's gonna be fun. Yeah, I got a little on top of that one. I could feel the plane kind of moving around. Every time I try to get just a little more out of one, something like that happens. Okay, all right, we got 229 uphill, 75 feet. I'm gonna play in probably about 250 coming out of this little wiry grass. We're gonna hit just a nice, easy hybrid up there. Pushed it a little. All right, that'll work. Whew, man, the uphill is just unreal. It just takes so much off it. Okay. Okay, need a birdie here. If we're gonna shoot 3 under par, need this. .46 yards uphill. Gotta fly it. A good amount of way there. Spin. Ah, spin. Nice. Needed that. Come on. All right, here we go. Perfect time to pick up with the camera. I'm not sure what happened there, but whatever. There's always something that goes wrong, I feel like, when I'm doing like some kind of stream. It's like audio, video, lighting. Yeah, but it's all good. We roll with the punches. More uphill, more uphillness. All right, let's hit a good shot here. Need a good one. Let's get some birdies rolling here. Oh, towed it, but smoked. Just slightly towy. That's a good spot to attack though. Okay, 70 yards, a little bit uphill. Come on, let's go. Back-to-back birdies. It's gonna be a tough hole, but it's okay. Okay. Yeah, see, this is fun. I mean, I'm hitting good shots and I'm getting rewarded, which is really all you're looking for with the simulator. This is so downhill. 162 feet downhill. Holy. Wow. Didn't catch that perfect, but we're gonna get away with it. Yeah, just kind of hit it a little low in the face. You could see that's why it had 3,400 backspin. That's a little high for a driver for me, but we're fine. We are in go zone here. Oof. As go zone as we could be. 234. Thinking about just hitting like a, it's like a hard 5 maybe. So there's 3 feet in the yard. We're 57 down, so. I think I'm just gonna take a 5. I gotta draw it in there off the slope here. All right, need a good shot here. If I wanna shoot 3 under, this is where we gotta hit some good shots. So just gotta draw it in there. Pins in the back left. This should be perfect for a nice little draw. Ah, I overdrew it. Way overdrew it. Sit, sit, sit. Okay. I don't think I played it out to the right enough. I think I hit the shot I wanted to, but oof, yikes. Now we are scrambling. It's okay. We get par here, we can eagle the last and still get our 3 under. So let's just get out of here. Uphill, this is gonna be really tough. I'm gonna have to throw this thing to like the ceiling. Just tough. This is just like one spot you just can't miss, unfortunately. All right, shoot. Shoot, shoot. All right, let's knock this in. Give ourselves some kind of fighting chance. Let's knock it in, give ourselves a fighting chance. Even though it doesn't matter, it's still nice to chip in. Ah, darn it, I'm gonna be wanting that approach shot back. But all good. Here we are, 18, Kapalua, very famous hole, quite a bit downhill. Let's see if we can end on a strong note here. 645 yards, but way, way, way downhill. So let's hit a good shot here. Let's end on a good one. You've hit a lot of good drives today. Let's just have a final good one here. Yeah, really good. All right, time to attack. Man, I hit that good, but it's just a hair spinny. And I think I didn't really get my speed slot that I was hoping to get. So yeah, we're gonna have to hit it to the right, unfortunately. I'm not gonna be able to attack the green. Not from this far back. Just gonna play it out here to the right, where typically like the grandstands would be. This has been really fun though. I'm a little bummed that the couple holes that did cut out, but they weren't that crazy. Although that 3-iron hit on number 9 isn't gonna be in the shot, which is unfortunate, but all good. All right, let's hit a good shot here. Good. Yeah, that's a good swing. All right, put it in a good spot down there. Wow, holy, that was quite a bit downhill, huh? Jeez, it was a hybrid. I'm actually like in a pretty decent spot here. Let's just chip this in. How about it, huh? Go, go. Misjudged it. I had the right idea. I wanted it to kind of hit and roll, but I just didn't land it quite far enough. So here we are, just pretty simple, straightforward chip here. Another chip in? Ah. All right. Darn. Whew. Didn't get our 3 under, but that's okay. Even par here at the Plantation Course, Kapalua. Thanks for watching. Go play. This is running from now until Thursday, start of next week's tournament. We're just going to keep stuff like this consistently going. We're going to reach out to the community and just, yeah, have a little bit of fun playing some golf. That was a blast. I'm kind of bummed that we did have the camera cut out a little bit there, but it's okay. It was good content. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, subscribe. We got a lot of fun stuff coming. And yeah, go check out Orion Live software. It's awesome. See you guys.